Hey, I'm gonna do this on my crappy Logitech camera, so don't shoot me. But I want to share this with you. This is so cool. Okay, so if I wanted to um, just turn a return character, which is actually named carriage return, but in the translation of symbol right here actually means Kareem, return value. So I actually looked it up with ChatGPT, and it just says it's kair-it character, but we've been calling it carriages around forever. Maybe if it's because it sounds the same, who knows? But let's say you wanted to replace it and it doesn't work because it just doesn't, there's no matching character for this. If you use caret M, it doesn't replace it. So if I run just substitute this caret M with a new line like this, it's not gonna find it. It doesn't find it. But if I use it as substitute carriage return with itself as a carriage return, it'll do it. So now this M here will become a new line right here. This will now be a new line. Okay, so boom, here we go. And now it's a new line. So here at the end of Arch, there's nothing now. And it's become a new line and I have a new line right below. So now I have my document here laid out as I wanted it, line by line. But if I undo it, it'll come right back. So here is caret M and substituted with caret M, we got new lines. Pretty cool.